Hello lovely people, welcome back to yet another exciting video. This is Bankstick. Would you believe me if I told you Microsoft Office has a built-in plagiarism checker? Let's find out. Open up your document in Microsoft Word, click on this button Editor, which can be found on the Home tab. It opens a side panel. Scroll down till you find Similarity, click on it. Of course, this needs internet connection. Give it some time and scans your document. And then this particular feature will scan your document and then it will find part of your text that resembles or corresponds to online sources. Now it has scanned my document and finds 1% of my text similar to online sources. This pertains to two parts of my text, be it a sentence or a paragraph. Now click on the similarities viewed. Then it takes you to the text. Now you can see here cloud cover refers to the fraction of the sky that is obscured by cloud. Now this is the part of the text, first part that corresponds to online sources. Click on the copy full part citation and this copies the reference for that text. Now it takes you to the second part of the text. You can copy the full part citation here as well, and then you can also add in-text referencing. Now this is very useful if you are a student writing your project report, you are a researcher, or you are an academic writer into writing, publishing and those things. This feature is very useful. Now let's paste those references we just copied in our reference list and let's visit the site to confirm whether those references are authentic. Now hold the control key and click on any of the references, then it will take you to the web page where that paper or be it just a publication is found. Now we have the text right here, say what research proposal, the PDF available at ResearchGate. I have not confirmed if editor is found in other versions of Microsoft Office, but I'm very certain this is Office 365 and you can find editor right there. Go try this out and let me know if this is found in the version of Office you are using. Share this video to a friend, tell your friends about me, subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of coming across my videos, like this video if this video was helpful, and of course do not forget to tell us what you think in the comments. Thank you.